Hello again and welcome. In previous videos we were discussed the business model and value configuration, and we were discussed scenario planning process and how we can planning for these scenarios. So in this session, session number 3, we're gonna develop scenarios for 6G businesses. Uh, we have two process here. The first one, forest trend and certainizes and novel 6G business uh, scenarios. So to forces trend and certainizes to first of all to obtain a better understanding of the forces driving future of 6G businesses. So workshop participant discovered and I defined identified 146 forces. So this participant research represented research, standardizing, and development, academic, the telecoms industry, government, and other related verticals. So, as a secondary data, selected recent trend analyze work was utilized. So key trends were selected from the identified forests by identifying uh, those with the highest impact and the lowest uncertainty. So, the trends by definition appear in all the development scenarios. So key uncertainties were selected from the forest based on the highest impact important and highest highest uncertainty and highest variances in the participant ranking. So starting with key trend. So here we have key trends and key uncertainties. So based on the ranking of forests, several trends were identified as shown on the left hand here. They are future discussed in the following. So public network. So starting with public network founding has traditional been directed at university and undiscovered area in terms of broadband access and coverage. So recently, support for development programs has extended to policy area such as a smart city, community development, work site, and ecosystem like hubs such as Harport and airport. So moreover, and advanced health servers, logistic and transport, smart city, public safety, and critical infrastructure uh, at length. So it is expected that at the current rate of growth, smart grids will be extended to uh, variety of sectors, including uh, sorry, electricity, the internet, and the healthcare. So in the future, all are expected to be hyper connected and completely automated. So they will serve as a middle layer between human and natural environment, in enhancing the capability of both. So this network will be put together with public and private personal ownership founding model with a view to sustainable growth and the use of digital infrastructure. So the next one, the artificial intentional AI MI rights. So the artificial intelligence rights trend, uh, assuming the availability of appropriate data set for training purpose. So artificial intelligence can propose solution to increase complex problem that can serve as the source of great economic growth, possi- sharing prosperity and the fulfillment of human rights. So in the alternative future, it will drive inequality, uh, in a very differentiated diving communication, and will even be activity used to deny human right. So, and here we have over to uh, over the top. So over the top companies utilize their customer data, cloud infrastructure, and artificial intelligence, machine learning capability to challenging traditional operation, customer relationship ownership, because user values service experience and receive connectivity as a basic utility. So in addition to the media space, OWT plays offer basic telco service such as a voice or messaging, and are active in growth areas such as a cloud space and service. So they tie customers to their owner, to their own ecosystems with a clearly natural connectivity, while making reliance of traditional operators think of the past. And in mobile only, next billion. So applications, cheap phone, and increasingly affordable network connection in magician and rules area will help another billion users to join the internet and increasingly access application application and digital content. So currently, mobile is for many the primary or only channel for assisting the internet and service. And in private network driven by industry digital automation call for standalone network for high reliability, high performance in terms of both bandwidth and reliability, secure communication, and data privacy. So the solution will enable the integration of a process, data, and diverse device such as a sensor, machines, uh, uh, across wide range of application for industry, enterprise. So private network can be established without direct direct in our involvement. For modern demands for privacy in personal space may also create a privacy network that really connect with a public internet. So a hyper connected global uh, will continue to feel over smaller in 2030 globally. Globally, 19% will be able to read access the internet and be one of movie. So the aim is to recognize that 6G will transform urban and rural living exiting at the instruction of gigabits. So the growth of the nationalism right to inform transport transfer to the information citizen. So this once the 6G in the visitors in the place. So here in industry 5.0. So industry 5.0 will allow collaborative human and machine interaction across several and industries, because the human intelligence in perfect harmony will advance cognitive computing with real-time data, effective data monetization, and digital automation of the manufacturing process. So businesses will be able to shift the focus to generate higher revenue from differentiation of a product. So the need of cybersecurity, the need of cybersecurity and trust will be application in the hyper-connected world of 2030. Even a temporary loss of technology may have not only productive but psychology impact on our life. For more the salvation of or contribution of our technology may result in destruction harm to our lives and businesses. So the expectation of protecting and safe gardening society and critical infrastructure from emergencies situation by means of technology advance are anticipated to grow.